Embarking on your spiritual journey is a unique and deeply personal experience. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, as spirituality encompasses a vast spectrum of traditions, practices, and beliefs. However, some general steps can guide you as you explore this meaningful path. 1. Begin with curiosity. Identify your motivations. What draws you to spirituality? Is it a yearning for meaning, connection, or inner peace? Knowing your why can help you stay grounded on your journey. Explore different paths, read books, watch documentaries, attend talks, or visit places of worship from various traditions. Be open to diverse perspectives and experiences. 2. Cultivate inner awareness. Start a meditation practice. Meditation helps quiet the mind and connect with your inner self. Find a technique that resonates with you, whether it's mindfulness, guided meditation, or mantra chanting. Practice self-reflection, journaling, spending time in nature, or engaging in creative activities can provide space for introspection and self-discovery. 3. Connect with something larger. Spend time in nature. Immersing yourself in the beauty and wonder of the natural world can foster a sense of awe and connection to something larger than yourself. Engage in service. Helping others and contributing to a greater good can create a sense of purpose and belonging. 4. Embrace a growth mindset. Recognize that spirituality is a lifelong journey. Be patient with yourself and allow your understanding and practices to evolve as you learn and grow. Seek guidance from mentors or communities. There are many teachers, spiritual leaders, and communities that can offer support and guidance on your path. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to be spiritual. Trust your intuition and find practices that resonate with you. Be open to new experiences and perspectives. Embracing diversity can enrich your spiritual understanding. Enjoy the journey. Spirituality is about finding joy and meaning in your life, so don't take it too seriously. Self-reflection. Begin by reflecting on your beliefs, values, and the aspects of life that hold deep meaning for you. Consider your purpose, passions, and the connection between your inner self and the world around you. Explore different paths. Research various spiritual traditions, practices, and philosophies. There are diverse paths, including mindfulness, meditation, yoga, prayer, and more. Attend different spiritual gatherings, services, or events to get a feel for what resonates with you. Meditation and mindfulness. Start incorporating meditation or mindfulness practices into your daily routine. This helps in quieting the mind, gaining clarity, and fostering a sense of inner peace. Read spiritual literature. Explore books, articles, or scriptures from different spiritual traditions. This can deepen your understanding and provide insights into various perspectives. Connect with nature. Spend time in nature to connect with the spiritual aspects of the natural world. Nature has a profound way of grounding and inspiring spiritual awareness. Seek guidance. Consider seeking guidance from spiritual leaders, mentors, or community members who can offer support and share their experiences. Journaling. Keep a spiritual journal to document your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Reflecting on your journey can provide valuable insights. Practice gratitude. Cultivate a sense of gratitude for the present moment and the experiences that contribute to your spiritual growth. Create a sacred space. Designate a space in your home as a sacred area for reflection, meditation, or prayer. This space can serve as a reminder of your spiritual commitment. Attend workshops and retreats. Participate in spiritual workshops, retreats, or seminars to deepen your understanding and connect with like-minded individuals. Mindful living. Bring mindfulness into your daily life by being present in each moment. Practice conscious breathing and awareness throughout your activities. Follow your intuition. Trust your inner guidance and intuition. Spirituality is a personal journey, and your intuition will often lead you to the practices and beliefs that resonate with your soul. Remember, the journey of spirituality is unique to each individual. Be patient with yourself, stay open to new experiences, and allow your spiritual path to unfold organically. Inner peace. Spiritual practices often lead to a sense of inner peace and tranquility, helping individuals navigate life's challenges with calmness. Clarity and purpose. Spirituality can provide clarity about one's purpose and direction in life, fostering a deeper understanding of personal values and goals. Stress reduction. Mindfulness and meditation, common in spiritual practices, are known to reduce stress, anxiety, and promote overall mental well-being. Connection with others. Spirituality often involves a sense of connection with a larger community, fostering a sense of belonging and support. Enhanced self-awareness. Through spiritual exploration, individuals gain a heightened awareness of themselves, their thoughts, and their emotions. Cultivation of compassion. Spiritual practices often emphasize compassion, kindness, and empathy, leading to improved relationships and a more compassionate worldview. Resilience. Spiritual beliefs can provide a source of strength and resilience, helping individuals cope with life's challenges and setbacks. Health benefits. Studies suggest that engaging in spiritual practices may contribute to better physical health and increased longevity. Personal growth. The spiritual journey is a continuous process of personal growth and self-discovery, allowing individuals to evolve and expand their consciousness. Conclusion. Embarking on a spiritual journey is a profound and transformative undertaking that offers a range of benefits for personal development and well-being. The exploration of spirituality provides individuals with tools and perspectives to navigate life with a deeper sense of purpose, inner peace, and connection to themselves and others. As one engages in spiritual practices, the journey becomes a continuous process of self-discovery, growth, and the cultivation of virtues such as compassion and mindfulness. The benefits extend beyond individual well-being, creating a ripple effect that positively influences relationships, communities, and the world at large. In conclusion, the spiritual journey is a unique and personal quest that opens the door to a life rich in meaning, understanding, and fulfillment. Embrace the journey with an open heart, and let the insights gained guide you toward a more enriched and purposeful existence.